Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Miss K Love, and I'm back with a new video. Today's video, sis, I'm going to be showing you how to get your nails done in the comfort of your home for under $20. During this quarantine, a lot of the nail salons has been closed, so I went ahead and did this project. You will only need the materials as shown in this clip. You know, just grab you some things that might be laying around your house. This project is super easy and super affordable. This is the Impress Couture. You can get this at your local drugstore for $10. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so what you want to make sure is that you have a fresh set of your nails, and what I did was just grab a bowl and put some warm water and some hand soap in the bowl just to get my nails prepared and get the oils out of my nails, basically prepping your nails to put the press-ons on. And right now all I'm doing is using my nail clippers that come with the extra nail file and just cleaning up my nails. It's kind of like you're just giving yourself a mini manicure. You're treating yourself at home, you know, just making your nails look overall clean before you actually put your nails on. And I got this bowl from Dollar Tree, you guys. It was in the kitchen section with all the dishes. So yeah, you just want to make sure you're prepping your actual nails before you get started. So this nail file, this is something I actually just considered myself doing for my nails. I'm just kind of like softening up my nail bed and just, you know, taking off all the excess oil that may be lingering on my fingers. So once I'm done with that, I am just rinsing my fingers off. So right now I'm just filing down my nails so that it fits the press-ons. And you guys, I've been on a nail growth journey, so yeah, it's coming along very, very good without me going to the nail salon. But yeah, I'm just filing my nails so they're nice and clean and that they're in good shape. You have filed your nails, you want to go ahead and start filing your bed of your nails. So this is what helps make your press-on stick. This is what make your nails last longer, you guys. Like, do not skip this part. What this does is kind of like it's like sanding. You know, when you sand something to make it work, this is like sanding your nails, but you're filing your nail bed so that the nails can stick on easier. Don't skip that part. Now we are going to prep our cuticles. Prepping your cuticles and pushing them back helps make it look more cleaner because our cuticles can come down very low. So by us pushing it back is making it available for the nail to fit better. And you know, just taking care of your cuticles overall is very important. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already, and make sure you hit your notification bell so you're not missing an upload. So now that we are all done with pushing back our cuticles, you want to get you like a little, you know, big brush, something to brush off all that excess stuff, you know, dust, whatever it was that was on your hands, just to get it clean for the next step. Now you want to get you a good moisturizer, so something nice, nothing too oily. I had got this from Dollar Tree as well. They were literally out. This was the last one, but it's like a eucalyptus smell. It smells so good, and it actually feels good too. So check out your local Dollar Tree for that. And you just want to massage your hands, like, you know, massage your hands, make yourself feel good. And yeah, I feel like this is important too as you are taking care of yourself, you know, just maintenance in yourself as well. So this is another part you don't want to skip. Now let's get into the absolute fun part of this whole project, you guys. Now this kit is the Impress kit. It comes, as you can see, with a prepping pad and a cuticle pusher thingy. I don't know what it's called, but a cuticle pusher. And you guys, it comes with a pack of 20 nails. after you are using this, because what this does too is take off the excess oils that are on your nails. Even though we already did that, you just want to just do this step anyway. So now what we are going to do is size our nails to our actual nails. So you're sizing the press-ons to fit your nails. So what I actually noticed about this pack is it comes with the stick-ons already, as you can see. Like, I felt like that was just absolutely amazing. Like, I had my glue ready to glue on my nails, and as you can see, once I pressed it down, I held it for like maybe 5 seconds, and you guys, this nail did not even lift. It didn't even try to lift. It didn't even want to lift. It was stuck there. So shout out to Impress for that, because honey, when people say press-ons, I literally think about me being a kid and putting on press-on nails and they was just flapping off my fingers. But this, however, is just like a game changer. So you would not be disappointed. Like, it's that serious. So the stick-on game is all 100. So what you want to do is size the press-on to your actual nails and make sure they are fitting. If you have to do any filing or any of that stuff to make sure it fits, then make sure you do so. And these came with some fake Swarovski. I'm not going to say they're the real ones, but they do the job. They're really pretty. So I'm going to do 2 fingers for design, and then I'm going to do the rest just this pretty pink. It's like a bubblegum pink. It reminds me of the OPI bubblegum. And yeah, that's what you want to do. Just size up the press-ons to your actual nails, and they had a lot of decent sizes in the pack. So I'm pretty sure you'll be good and that it will fit a lot of nail beds. So I'm just going back in with my nail file to file my nail bed again, so it can just have that extra secureness so that the nail can stick better. And it is the easy access tab on the nail to peel off once you press it on your actual nail. So I like that too. It was so easy to peel off to get access to the sticky part. And so what you want to do is press on your nail for about 10 seconds and release, and that is it. Like, you don't have to do nothing extra. Literally, you don't have to put no glue, no acrylic, nada. The stickiness is thebomb.com. And so you guys, I actually wore these nails about 2 weeks and they are still on up to this day. So these nails, I have did my daughter hair in them, I have did my hair, I have washed dishes, I have went to work, I had did so much task in these nails and they have not popped off. So the stickiness, like I said, is there. You don't have to worry about that. You know, during this quarantine, a lot of nail salons were closed, so we were not able to get our nails done. However, after a while, you definitely want to try to maintenance yourself. It just gets depressing. So that's why I went ahead and picked up this pack of press-on nails, and I am in love. So I'm just gonna let this video ride out. As you guys can see, I'm just sizing, peeling, and sticking them right on, and that is as easy as it gets. Also, another tip, in the pointy part of the nail, it had like this little tip part. I'm not sure if that was something through the manufacturer, but just a little file in the front to shape them will do the job. pretty much it. As you can see, I am so in love with the outcome. I'm so glad I bought this pack because there's so many other packs of nails. You never know how they'll come out, but my $10 was worth it. It was worth the buy. So definitely check out your local drugstore. I got these from CVS, and they're also on Amazon. And I'm gonna go over with some cuticle oil. This, I feel like, just sealed the deal. It just makes your nails look overall like you went to the salon and got your nails slayed. Really, you was at home doing your own nails in the comfort of your house. So yeah, get you some cuticle oil, or you can make your own, but I had got this from Dollar Tree, and it was in the nail section, but the nail section, you guys, has been trash lately everywhere. So grab you some while you can. But as you can see, I was just like click clacking to make sure these little joints were staying on, and that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely look into getting you some press-ons, and this is the final look. I absolutely love it. Got so many compliments, and yeah, you guys, as always, be bomb, be blessed, be better, sis, but always be yourself, and I see you loves in my next video.